In this video, I'll show you how to generate code with Google AI Studio in 2026. If you're a developer, student, or beginner who wants to use AI to help with programming, Google AI Studio can be a useful tool for working with Gemini and generating code. First, open your web browser on your PC or laptop and go to Google AI Studio. Sign in with your Google account and open the workspace. Start a new prompt and clearly describe the code you want to create. Include the programming language, what the code should do, and any specific requirements you have. For example, instead of simply asking Gemini to create a website, you could ask it to create a simple HTML and CSS landing page with a navigation bar, a hero section, and a contact area. The more specific your instructions are, the easier it is for the AI to generate code that matches your requirements. Once your prompt is ready, run it and review the generated code. Don't immediately assume that the code is perfect. Read through it and check whether it actually does what you requested. You can then ask Gemini to explain the code section by section. This is especially useful if you're still learning programming. If you find an error, describe the problem clearly and ask Gemini to identify the issue and provide a corrected version. You can also ask it to add new features. For example, you could ask Gemini to add form validation, improve the layout, create a responsive design, or modify a specific function. When making changes, it's often better to work step by step, rather than asking the AI to completely rewrite a large project every time. You can also use Google AI Studio to help debug existing code. Provide the